Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Apple ID and verifying your password because the backup is tied to that account. Once done, make sure your device runs a compatible iOS version. Mismatched versions can prevent restores. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug into power so the process won't stop. Then go to Settings, tap General, and choose Reset or Transfer. Start the Erase All Content and Settings flow to reach the Restore from iCloud option. Now you'll select the specific iCloud backup you want. Pick by date and device name so you restore the correct snapshot. After selecting it, the device downloads settings first, then apps and media progressively, so keep Wi-Fi and power on. You may be prompted for additional passwords, such as your Apple ID, email accounts, or an encrypted backup passphrase. Enter them when requested. While waiting, do not interrupt the connection, because partial restores can cause missing items or duplicated data. Once the restore finishes, you'll see the home screen, but apps and content might keep downloading. Check photos, messages, and app data to confirm restoration. Make sure to sign back into any accounts and re-enable services such as Health, Wallet, or Home because they may require separate permissions. If something goes wrong, first check Apple's system status and confirm you have enough iCloud storage and local device space. If the process stalls, restart the device and retry the restore. That often resolves transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.